Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I will show you how to easily add appointment scheduling directly onto your Cheetah website. So let's get started. Now, depending on what appointment scheduling software or tool you go with, all of them are going to work similar. Each will allow you to go through and set up how you want your appointments to be scheduled. And then you can just simply grab the embed code and add it into your Cheetah website. So let's go give this a shot. Okay. So here we are inside Calendly. Now there are so many other options too that you can choose from, and just as I mentioned earlier, they're going to pretty much work the same. So what we're going to do inside Calendly is we're going to go over to the right. Now this is the dashboard once you log in. Now you can go in here and select your payment plan and pick the one that works best for you. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of show you the functionality, and this is again going to be pretty much the same of what you can expect from using other appointment scheduling softwares or third-party programs. So let's go in here and select new event type. Now here you can set it up so that you have a one-on-one engagement or a group engagement. So simply let's go to select the one-on-one. Gotta go on here and let's just go in here and select coaching call as the event name. Alright, so next all you have to do is just select your location. So here you have an in-person meeting, phone call, Google Meet, Zoom, GoToMeeting, and there are other options as well. So for this example, let's say I'm going to set up maybe a phone call. So I want to call my invitee, or my invitee should call me. So I'm going to go ahead and select the top one there. And then here you could just simply include specific instructions and the description of the call. Here you can also include an invite link, a coaching call. Here's the invite link right here. You can select an event color and then go to next. So now, when can people book this event? So event duration, we're just going to allow a 30-minute free consultation, right? So I'm going to go ahead and keep it right there. Events can be scheduled over 60 calendar days. You can go in and adjust this. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Alright, so here you have your event time zone. Go in and select your time zone. Availability. Set your available hours when people can schedule meetings with you. So here I have 9 to 5, Monday through Friday set. So right when you set up your actual account, it's going to actually ask you for your business time or your business hours. So this is where it's grabbing it from, the default. Down here you have invitee questions, so you can click here and you can add questions. I have name, an email, and a phone number, right, because I'll be contacting them. I'm going to go ahead and save and close there. Notifications and cancellation policy, so if you're charging for your meetings, you can make those notations in here as well. You could send email reminders, email follow-ups, and text reminders. So here you can go in and change your confirmation page. Here you can add an external site. So because you're going to be taking the embed code here and putting it inside your web page, you're going to want to do the exact same thing here. And then here, add a custom link. Okay, so let's go ahead and just save and close. Next, you can also set it to collect payments. Okay, so next, let's go to home. Here is my coaching call right here. So I can copy the link, or I can simply select from the drop down in this little gear icon and then go down to add to website. Now you can do an inline embed. You can have it so that it pops up or have pop-up text. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and select that. Go to continue. And here you go. You can actually go in here and make adjustments to the colors, and it will change the coding in here. Once you've finalized your coding, you can go ahead and copy code. Okay, so now I am inside Cheetah, here at a consulting web page that I've created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here. I've added a blank panel, so I want to embed the code right in that area. So I'm going to go to Add, select Elements, go down to iframe, and then just simply drag in this into my blank panel. Next, I'm going to right click on my iframe so my properties show up right here. Go to General Settings, And then all I have to do is go down to Embed Doc, hit Control V, and you're going to see the appointment scheduler pop up right in here. So next I want to go to full width, and then just simply click on this embed code here. Hold on, let me go ahead and close this. And let me just drag this down here. And to kind of create a shortcut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to clone this panel just so that it makes it easier. I'm going to delete this second one here, which is the iframe. And just so that I can make it a little bit easier to expand this here, right? Just makes it easier for me. All right. And there you go. And let's go take a look at this live. So here we are. We've added an appointment scheduler, and that's exactly how you do it. All right. So now we're live, and now we have an appointment set up added to our web page. And that is how you add appointment scheduling to your website. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.